Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahil-Fattahil-Alim. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahil-Fattahil-Alim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear watcher, dear subscriber, hope you will be fine and in the high state of iman and health. Myself, motivational speaker, leadership business coach, master trainer, language trainer, novelist, Professor M. Raza. Today, it is our lecture series of Islamic revivalism, Islamic renaissance, and Tariq 365 and Tariq 299. So today I'm going to discuss the main motif or main motto, main logo, and main stream agenda of Pakistan Awami Tahreek. The prism, the main motifs, all the motifs. There are some important things. There are completely 28 pages in this memorandum and 16 articles and 1 amendment. So let's get started. Article 1. The name of the party should be Pakistan Awami, must be Pakistan Awami Tahreek, with the spells of Pakistan, Pakistan, Awami, Awami, Tehrek. So this is Article 1 of the Memorandum of Pakistan Awami Tahreek, or the slogan or the main motif of prism of Pakistan Awami Tahreek. Article 2. What will be and what type of the flag or the flag for the party will be. This is Article 2. So according to Article 7, the party flag or party flag should be vertically 3 colors. The first one from the upper side, the first one red color with the complete glowing or golden red. The second one crystal white, and the third one crystal white, or you can say it very clear and very sharp white, and the third one glowing green, very glowing green. This will be the flag of party, and this is the Article 2. Why I usually use this rosary always in my hand? Many times, my dear students, you have asked to me that, sir, what does it mean that you have a rosary in your hand with a particular color? So I never told you, but today I am going to tell you that this is the main reason. This is Article 2 of prism, or Article 2 of the memorandum or motif of Pakistan Awami Tahreek, that the party flag should be 3 colored. And same, this is my rosary, is my identity, this is my flag in my hand, and I always put it with me, I always put it in my hand, and I always remain it with me. The next article, Article 3, is where will be the central secretariat or secretariat, where it will be, or for example, it will be in Asia, it will be in UK, it will be in Canada, it will be in Germany, it will be in Australia, it will be in New Zealand, or where it would be, or where it will be. So the central secretariat or central secretariat will be in Lahore, in 365 building, in Lahore, and in 365 building, 365M Model Town, Lahore. Why I use this lecture series with the name of Tariq 365 and Tariq 299? We will discuss it with all the details. So according to the Article 3, the central secretariat or the central secretariat will be in Lahore, but the sub offices, but the zonal secretariat, but the state secretariat, but the foreign secretariats, but the Asian secretariats or the different subcontinental secretariat will allowed and will available according to their phenomena and according to their capabilities and according to their abilities and according to their complete scenario of Pakistan Awami Tariq. So article number 4, the article is membership. Article number 4, the article is membership. Article number 4, the article is membership. So the article number 4, article is membership. Pakistan, every Pakistani sensible, every Pakistani 18-year-old will be eligible if he is, if I'm again telling you, if he or she is fully agreed to the prism, to the main motif, to the vision, to the mission of Pakistan Awami Tariq, will be eligible for the membership of Pakistan Awami Tariq. And according to a rough idea, according to my research, I think so it is crossed more than 35 lakh, 3.5 million voters of Pakistan Awami Tariq throughout Punjab and in other provinces, in other states of Pakistan, and also overseer members of Pakistan Awami Tariq. Number 2, the point of number 2, that every member's complete biodata, every member's complete biodata will be recorded in the central secretariat or in the central secretariat. So this is the second part of article number 4. This is the second part of article number 4. So dear subscriber, it was my lecture about the basic 4 articles of Pakistan Awami Tariq. We will be right back with you with the article of 5, and we will discuss it in our next lecture. So let me go now. Before going, I want to request to you that kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon of Inqilab TV Madibauddin, Inqilab TV Pakistan, Inqilab TV Pakistan, Inqilab TV Pakistan. And if you want to fetch my English lectures, you can also subscribe Professor M. Raza, my lecture with the name of the lecture, my naming lecture, Professor M. Raza, and my naming channel, Professor M. Raza. You can also follow if you need Urdu lectures by me. You can also subscribe and hit the bell icon, Urdu lectures by Professor M. Raza. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Before going, if you didn't order this Tahriki rosary, you can go on the Dras and put Tahriki tasbih there or Tahriki rosary there. TEHREEKI Tahriki TASBEEH or Tahriki counter COUNTER, and this is the Anari Yakut variant, so you can order it on Dras. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Goodbye.